Today, I'll walk you through how to add location on Snapchat pictures, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to enhance your snaps with location tags so you can share your adventures with friends and family. First things first, before we dive into the app, we need to ensure that Snapchat has permission to access your location. This is crucial for the location feature to work properly. So, go ahead and open your phone's settings, navigate to the Apps section, find Snapchat, and make sure that location access is enabled. Don't worry if your settings look slightly different, the process is generally the same across most devices. Once you've confirmed that location access is granted, it's time to open Snapchat. Go to your profile by tapping on your Bitmoji or the silhouette icon in the top left corner of the screen. This is your personal space within the app. Now, let's head into the settings. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner. Here, look for the privacy control section and ensure that the See My Location option is enabled. This step is essential as it allows your friends to see where you are when you share a snap. With your settings all set, you're ready to take a snap. Capture a new photo or upload an existing one from your gallery. Once you're on the editing page, look for the stickers option. This is where the fun begins. When you click on stickers, you'll see a variety of options and one of them will be for location. Tap on this option and you'll be presented with a list of nearby locations. Choose the one that best fits your snap and voila, your location is now tagged on your picture. Remember, adding a location to your snaps not only personalizes your photos, but also helps your friends know where you are, making your stories more engaging. If you encounter any issues along the way, don't hesitate to revisit the settings or check if your app needs an update. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below, subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.